Let's make my favorite macaroni and cheese. Tablespoon of butter. Shredded cheese. 2 slices of Colby Jack. 2 cup shots of milk. Mix the noodles. And we cannot forget the paprika. And now we're going to mix this into our sauce. Now it's time to strain the water. Saves a little bit of ramen water for the sauce. Drain and toss it. Now pair the ramen with the sauce. Time to mix the sauce with the ramen. And then afterward. And that's how to make macaroni and cheese. Now if you excuse me. Wait, what's going on? Wait a minute, no!